Let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we had a small update and a new LMG was released. So right here it is, the Finn LMG. To get this gun, you need to get one melee kill using an LMG in 7 different matches. So I have one, but so you guys can see the weapon right away, I went and got the variant of it, and it literally reminds me of the chainsaw LMG. If any of you guys remember the chainsaw LMG, do drop a like on this video. Even if you don't, drop a like. So we're gonna do some gameplay with it, see if we can unlock it normally without getting at least one melee attack with it, and we'll just see how it all works and see what you guys think. So let's hop straight into a game. Let's do house and shipment. So we're gonna do that one. If you missed any of the Road to Damascus videos, go check out the playlist. We did get Damascus. What a grind, but it was exciting and I had a lot of fun. So make sure you go check out those videos if you missed any of them. Also, I've been live streaming Warzone a lot. If you like Warzone, come hang out in the stream. I usually stream around 5 o'clock Central Time. So come hang out. We'll get some good laughs in. But without further ado, let's check out this Finn LMG. We got shipment code. Should be able to get at least 1%. What we're gonna do is, since we got our melee kill that game, we are literally just gonna jump out and then hop right back in. I mean, they had Vito's and we had Wilson's and we had a whole bunch of stuff. That just makes it difficult. I don't like. I mean, yeah, we only had like 30 points, but I want to see how this gun works. Not just keep spawn dying.
Weapons hot, no quarter given.
Alright. What we got?
Kill confirmed.
Changing mag.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy at the center.
Yo!
We're on the same side.
Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Got you that time, puta.
Got moved.
Enemy in the courtyard.
Support Eva in the air.
Enemy in the junkyard.
Got a personal radar drone ready for escort.
Recon's online.
Copy. Jaguar 30 in.
We've got a UAV
Recon's
on
online.
station. Kill
Personal radar is bingo fuel.
friendly
So this
UAV
gun
overhead.
definitely has range. That's for sure. Aim down sight speed isn't bad.
Enemy in the station.
Kill confirmed. Less than a minute. Mission time critical. Get
Drop one.
kill confirmed.
Enemy in the courtyard. One down.
Enemy cruise missile incoming. Kill confirmed. 30 seconds.
Okay. Frag out. Stun out.
Inbound.
Go, vamos. You're still breathing.
Kill confirmed.
Back alley.
Enemy.
Depending on what kind of mag you keep on it, I feel like you don't need 4 more games. Then we can actually see the attachments and stuff. But depending on like the magazine, I don't know if we really need to. You know what I mean? Like, if you need to have fast reload. Because, like, for the Bruin, obviously, you can put the 60 mag on. So it's just like a clip instead of a drum. But, I don't know. It's got decent fire rate. Its ADS is pretty darn good. Seems like it packs a punch. I did hear the Bruin got nerfed again, so oh, this might be my thing I run with my kilo.
Capture and hold objective. Need backup at Bravo. We're uncharted. We're taking fire.
Come on, I'm trying to be a objective player.
Losing Bravo.
He spawned in that crate.
Assist Bravo. Securing Bravo.
Pretty sure I just got
We're on Bravo. Stand by. Holding Bravo.
yeah.
We're on Alpha. Stand
So
by.
he has this thing set as a chainsaw.
Losing B.
Wait, what's this set up?
On Alpha. Stand
Oh,
by. Got Alpha. Aye. Enemies taking Alpha.
hit.
All is forgiven.
Care package inbound. Stand by. Assist your team at B. Radar drone ready for escort. Stand by. Enemy at the dumpster. Enemy cruise missile. Allied UAV overhead. Assist your team at B. And the VTOL on station. Personal radar drone. Ready for flight. Taking a battle. Friendly care package inbound. We have your team at Alpha. Taking battle. Overhead. Falcon 3-0.
I have to reload.
Fighting one.
You can actually slide shot. Gun's nasty. 49, 37, 26 defense, 5 captures. If that doesn't show you what this gun is made of, I don't know what to tell you. Like I said, it's got range, that little slide 2-piece. Freaking crazy. Literally insane.
There. All is forgiven.
Enemy close.
We have a personal radar
Okay,
drone
actual.
ready for
Send recon.
Falcon 3-0 en route.
Personal radar overhead.
Stun bomb out.
Enemy at the cargo container.
Oh,
We
this
have a
thing's
personal
freaking
radar drone
disgusting.
ready for escort.
Stun bomb out.
UAV is ready
We
for
need
flyover.
eyes in the sky.
This is Falcon 3-0. Good copy. UAV beginning flyover.
They have reached the
3-0 en route for personal. Without any fuel. Returning to resupply.
One down.
second. We have a personal radar drone ready for escort.
Well, not bad for having 3 people. Okay, so we definitely got the hits. We should only need 2 more games. Yep. And I've seen we've been unlocking camos and attachments for it this whole time. So that's the good thing about if you buy the variant before you unlock it, you can definitely make some progress. Like with the weapon while you're trying to unlock it. So now I got some camos ready. I got a bunch of attachments.
Commence a hard point.
Radar drone ready for escort.
Enemy at the cargo container. We have a personal radar drone ready for escort.
Secure. Enemy personal radar overhead. Captain drone.
Yeah, the reload time's not bad. I mean, if it's that big of an issue, you could literally always just...
10 seconds, get ready.
Where's that?
You could always quit fast.
Beginning
It's not bad.
We have a personal radar drone ready for escort.
Stun bomb out! All is forgiven.
Taking them up. We have a personal radar drone. We are out of time. Move. Allied UAV overhead. Go. Get to the next one. Taking them up.
There, we got it. That was freaking painful, but we got it, finally.
Enemy care package inbound.
Go move!
I'm hit! Throwing a stun!
Go move it!
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Enemy in the junkyard.
Copy. Jaguar 3-0 back for prison.
We've got a UAV on station, ready for flyover.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. This is Jaguar 3-0 bingo fuel. Recalling
Remember me?
We've got a UAV on station, ready for
Got you that time, puta. Got him.
Using a flash!
Enemy in the courtyard.
Got a personal radar drone ready for escort. Got a UAV.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel.
Got a personal radar drone ready for escort.
Oh, I'm move, Tama. Keep moving.
So we unlocked it. Pretty simple to get. You just gotta get 1 kill in 7 games. using an LMG by pretty much hitting them with it. Get a melee kill. And you unlock it. Like I said, super simple. We got it. So let's see what we all unlocked while we were doing this. We got a whole bunch of these. We got 3 barrels. There's different things though. What's this? What's adverse mean? Adverse. Rate of fire. Improved range with the inside of fire. Bullet velocity fire rate. Allows for the max fire rate without losing lethality and distance. Unlocked 1 stock. So this is the chainsaw. Movement, hip fire accuracy, sprint to fire speed. I'm thinking that's the reason why you can't aim down the sights. Makes sense. We got sleight of hand, full metal jacket, heavy hitter, recon. So you have 100 rounds. So you're gonna probably want this one. Aim down sight speed, movement speed, belt, ammo capacity. Okay. We got recoil destination, hip fire, recoil control. We unlocked over half the camos for that one. We unlocked 3 of the headshots. Unlocked 3 of the crouching. Unlocked a bunch of the hip fires. Overall, I think it's an amazing weapon. I really do. I am definitely going to be put it into one of my classes. Probably replace one of my classes for Warzone. If you enjoyed the video, do drop a like. Subscribe if you're not. Turn on notifications so you don't miss another video that I make or when I go live. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Later.
Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.